And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be making spinach stew, yes, which the Yoruba called a efo stew. So that is what we are going to be preparing today. And if you are new here, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the subscribe button and let's be one family. Thank you also so much for your love, for your support, and for your comment. I really appreciate you guys, and I don't take your love for granted. So guys, without wasting much of your time, we are just going to dive into this video. Over here are all my recipe. Over here I have some cow strip, some cow skin in there, and some cow ring, and some ring in there. And over here I have my chopped tomatoes, onions, garlic, and red bell pepper. I also have some scotch bonnet pepper in there. And over here is my spinach. I have about 2 kg of spinach in there. I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt. Yes guys, I added some meat off camera, so I'm going to add my chicken now. Then I'm going to be adding my spinach. Over here is my spinach. I'm just going to add it. This is what we call a for no space. I'm going to cover it, then allow it to simmer for the next 10 minutes. Guys, our for no space is almost ready. Yes, it looks so delicious, tasty, you know, very yummy. So this stew can go for anything, can go for rice, for nyam, for your fufu, anything. It can go. It's so yummy and so delicious. So I'm going to leave it for just 2 minutes and it's ready. It's ready guys. If you know you are hungry, don't forget my address is at the description box. Hurry, let's come and work it. Dinner is ready. We are going to be using fufu to work this for no space. I'm waiting. See you guys in the next video. Remain blessed guys. Bye.